What's the weather like?
I don't know. I just woke up.
Why don't you look outside?
Okay. It looks like rain.
Why do you say that?
The sky is grey.
Is it raining right now?
No.
How do you know?
The street isn't wet.
I have to go shopping today.
You'd better take an umbrella.
I can't believe how hot it is.
It's not even noon yet.
That means it will get hotter.
I am dying from the heat.
Turn on the air conditioner.
It doesn't work.
What happened?
I don't know.
Did you call the repairman?
Of course.
When is he coming?
He's busy. He said next week.
I'll be glad when winter comes.
Why is that?
Because I love the snow.
Yes, the snow is fun.
Last year we made a big snowman.
How big was it?
It was 7 feet tall.
How long did it take?
It took us all day.
Did you give him a nose?
Of course. We gave him a big carrot for a nose.
Let me help you make one this year.
I'm going to the bank.
What do you need to do?
I need to withdraw some money.
How are you going to do that?
I'll just use the ATM.
What's that?
It's the automatic teller machine.
It gives you money?
I just insert my debit card into the machine.
And it gives you money?
Well, it gives me money, but it's my own money.
Oh. What good is that? I thought it gave you free money.
Did you put the blue bean out on the street?
Oh, no. I forgot.
Well, you'd better take it out front.
What time does the recycle truck come by?
It usually gets here at noon on Tuesday, which is tomorrow.
I'll just take it out to the street tomorrow morning.
Oh, no, you don't.
What do you mean?
Every morning you get up late and rush off to work late.
Do you think I'll forget to do it?
You'll remember to do it, but you won't have time to do it.
Okay, I'll take it out front right now.
Are you ready?
Ready for what?
Ready for the big switch.
What are you talking about?
The nation is switching to digital TV.
Oh. Of course I'm ready.
Did you bite the converter?
No, I don't need a converter because I bought a digital TV.
How much was that?
It was only about $120 for a 13-inch screen.
Does it pick up any digital channels?
Oh, yes. I get 6 Korean channels, but nothing in English.
People are funny.
They sure are.
Did you hear about the pilot?
The one that stole a small plane?
Yes, he stole a plane in Canada and flew into the US.
Did they catch him?
Yes. After 2 US fighter jets followed him for an hour, he landed on a highway.
Did he crash?
No, he just landed the plane and walked to a restaurant.
Did the cops find out why he flew into the US?
His life sucked. He was hoping a fighter jet would shoot him down.
Poor guy.
The police need our help finding a robber.
How do you know?
The TV news is reporting a bank robbery.
Do they know what the robber looks like?
Yes, he's 6 feet tall, 200 pounds, black hair, and about 30 years old.
What race is he?
They didn't say.
The TV news doesn't tell us the race anymore.
Of course not. That would be racist.
But how can we identify someone if we don't know their race?
Don't ask me.
Then they also shouldn't tell us if the robber is male or female, because that is sexist.
Don't wipe your nose on your sleeve.
But I don't have a tissue.
Then go find a tissue in the bathroom.
I didn't have time to get one from there.
Your sleeves are not tissues.
But Mom, all my friends use their sleeves.
That doesn't make it right.
I saw Dad wipe his nose on his sleeve yesterday.
I will talk to your father about that.
I bet Dad did it all the time when he was my age.
Your daddy was a good little boy.
How do you know? Were you his mommy, too?
I'm worried.
Worried about what?
I'm getting married.
You should be happy, not worried.
I'm happy, but marriage is a lot of responsibility.
Yes, you have to take care of your wife.
And I have to take care of our children.
Are you going to start a family?
Yes. We want to have a little boy and a little girl.
That sounds wonderful.
Except we can't afford it.
No wonder you're worried.
I don't get art.
Or artists.
They're in a different world.
I saw a painting of a jar that was full of pencils.
The artist said the jar was both full and empty.
But it was full of pencils. How could he say it was empty?
Artists see things differently.
Did you ever see anything that Picasso painted?
Of course. He's world famous.
Did he ever take art lessons?
I can't believe it. I drew paintings like that in 3rd grade.
Where are they? Maybe they are worth millions.
What's the point?
The point of what?
Of living.
Who knows? You live, and then you die.
We must be here for some reason.
Maybe we're here to have fun.
Then why aren't I having fun?
Because you're thinking too much.
So I should stop thinking.
Stop thinking about what the point is.
Okay. I'll start thinking about having some fun.
Just be patient. Fun doesn't come along every 5 minutes.
Beer is a powerful drug.
So are cigarettes.
Which would you prefer?
What do you mean?
When you die and go to heaven, they will offer you beer or cigarettes.
I could pick only one or the other?
Yes. Nothing's perfect, not even in heaven.
Boy, that's a tough one.
What's so tough about it? Of course, I would pick cigarettes.
But cigarettes taste much better when you have a cold beer.
Well, you can't have everything.
I don't think I want to go to your heaven.
My pants have a hole in the front pocket.
You shouldn't carry pens in your pocket.
Yesterday a pen fell through my pants onto my shoe.
Lucky for you it wasn't a sharp knife.
Who carries a sharp knife in their pocket?
Criminals, of course.
Anyway, I have to fix the hole.
You can sew it up or use an iron-on patch.
Tell me about this patch.
The patch has glue. The hot iron melts the glue so the patch sticks on.
That sounds a lot easier than sewing.
It is. But after about 10 washings, the glue washes off.
Do you know any good jokes?
I can't remember jokes.
Neither can I.
They go in one ear and out the other.
Who makes up all these jokes?
Who knows? But there must be 100 new ones every day.
Yes, just in English alone.
I wonder if every language has jokes.
Of course. People everywhere like good jokes.
What do you think people joke about the most?
I think most jokes are about women.
Oh, really? I think most jokes are about men.
You're very lucky.
Why do you say that?
You speak 2 languages.
Well, my English isn't perfect.
No one speaks perfect English.
Maybe I will be the first.
I've been thinking about learning Spanish.
Spanish is easy. I'll be happy to teach you.
How long will it take me to learn?
I think it will only take you a year or 2.
How soon can we begin?
That means right now.
Do you know what today is?
Yes, it's April 22nd.
It's more than just a date.
Is it your birthday or anniversary?
No, it's Earth Day.
What's that?
It's a yearly reminder to take care of our planet.
Oh, you mean like reuse things and recycle stuff?